YouTube channel, and today I am going to teach you how to create RAM without using external device. Okay, we can use on hard drive. Okay, on hard drive to make RAM. You know that you watch my previous video how to make how to create RAM using the external device. Okay, but today I'm going to teach you how to create RAM without using any external device. We can make RAM using only using hard disk. Okay, not need to any extra device. Okay, I am not want to lose you more times. Okay, therefore let's start. Therefore we have to first of all click on my computer. Okay, its code is enter. Click on my computer. Okay, click on property. Okay, then click on advanced options, computer property. Then you have to click on advanced system. Okay, click on advanced system settings. Then you have to click on setting. Okay, then again click on advanced. Okay, click on advanced. Then you have to click on uncheck. First of all, click on change options. Okay, change. Then you have to already I make there. Okay, you have uncheck check first. It will change. Okay, this uncheck. Then you have to check it. Okay, check and click on add these icons. I will already make so I will got it. Okay, then you have to uncheck it this. Okay, then click this customs. Okay, then you have to type here minimum value. Okay, minimum and maximum value. You may type also maximum minimum same. Okay, no matters. You have to show the RAM first of all. In my case 2 GB. Okay, if your computer is 4 GB, then you have to type the maximum value 4 GB. Okay, but in my case in my laptop only 2 GB RAM too, so I type here 2 GB. Also you have to know that the 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. Okay, you have to type here in MB. Okay, 1 GB equal to 1024 MB, so 2 GB equal to 2048 MB. Okay, I also type 2048 MB. Okay, then click on set. Okay, then click on OK. Again OK. Yes, you have to give the permission to restart. Okay, click on OK. Then apply. Click on apply. Then click on OK. Okay. Click on OK. Now you have to show the notification restart your computer. Okay, click on restart to configure all the settings. Okay, that's why you have to click restarts. Okay, it performance. Okay, now it to restart computers and have to come back. Okay, that we have to check the performance. Okay, that's for open any drafts, and you have to so look it fast. Okay, fast to open any files. Okay, give the performance more. Okay, it quick open any drive. Okay, now it complete. Okay, so thank you very much guys to watching my YouTube channel IT Magic Meta, and I will provide these tricks videos. Okay, that's why you have to like my video, like, subscribe is supported to my channels. Okay, so please you have to like my video and share with your friends, and also don't forget to click on bell icons, it will give notifications. Okay, so thank you and good luck. Bye bye.
तेरी वो बातें, वो चाहत की रस्में, झूठे थे वादे